Hello, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Kem Cho, and Swagatam to my YouTube channel,
The Ordinary Woman KP Vlogs.
कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? I hope you all are doing good. Actually, Kian goes for dance classes to one institute. तो वहाँ पे I have just joined for few sessions just for fun, and they are planning to make some reel today. तो वही शूट करने के लिए we are going, and Kian is going to be my cameraman. आपने पिछले vlog में देखा ही होगा how he has been vlogging.
I'm gonna vlog because Pa every time stays in the car.
Yes. So, and he's very much interested in vlogging. He's super excited. Whatever is possible, I'll try to add in this vlog. So we've reached now. And now Kian is going to take over the camera in some time.
Few moments later.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പിലില്ലേ ഈ സ്റ്റെപ്പിലൊന്നും ഇങ്ങോട്ട് നോക്കണം കേട്ടോ. ആ കറങ്ങി 7 8 1 2 3 4 ഓക്കെ ഗുഡ്.
Two hours later.
हम लोग इसके लिए मुंडे और ये लेने आए हैं और इधर नाच रहा है. ये देखो, ये लिया है कियान के लिए. कियान, शो द मुंडे दैट यू ब्रॉट. दिस वन, शो देम द मुंडे. ग्रीन पैटर्न and top also show the top also. Okay, ये है Saturday when we go.
Next day.
Last clip was yesterday where we had gone to buy मुंड for Kian. क्योंकि कल हम लोग सब फैमिली मेम्बर्स मिलके विशु सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं, क्योंकि वीकडे में आया था विशु. सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू हैव अ स्मॉल गेट टुगेदर इन माय रिलेटिव्स हाउस. सो उसके लिए हम लोग कपड़े लेने गए थे कियान के लिए. उसको साइज़ नहीं मिला था पहले, तो दैट्स व्हाई वी वेंट येस्टरडे. एंड वहाँ पे आपने उसका छोटा सा डांस देखा होगा. अभी नेक्स्ट डे हो गया है एंड मैं थोड़ा बहुत वो ड्रेसिंग टेबल सेट कर रही थी. एंड दैट टाइम वी थॉट दैट वील डू अ लिटिल चैलेंज.
Yes.
What is that challenge?
The challenge is my mom, she will take one makeup from here.
Yeah.
And
makeup.
then I will be sitting here.
No need to sit. You can stand also. Not a problem.
Okay, and then I'll be standing here.
Okay.
And then she will show me the makeup.
Hmm.
And then I need to guess where do we put that makeup.
Right. So I'll first give him a simple product.
Easy.
First I'll show them clearly so that you know. What is this?
Lip balm.
Lip balm. Very good. So 1 point
We
for
put on our lips when it's dry.
yes. Very good.
I knew that. What?
What is this?
Blush.
Blush. No. Don't do that. Come here. This is not blush.
What is
Guess again. Where else? Maybelline. Yeah, Maybelline. This is eyeshadow. I put it above my eyelids.
Same thing.
No, I don't know if they can see clearly. Okay, whatever. Yeah.
You use it.
No. Somewhere related to the
Oh,
eye.
really?
No.
No.
Yes. Eyebrows. It's the eyebrow kit. The viewers.
Easy.
Easy.
Lipstick you put on your lips.
Very good. What is this?
I thought that was cream.
No.
Fit.
You cannot read. Guess. What do? I take like this and then.
Perfume.
It's not perfume. It is makeup setting spray. After you finish your makeup, then you do and then you set it up on your face. Yeah. Go for this. This is a little tough. but where do I use this? Do you know?
Lips.
No. Where do I
Yeah.
use? Not exactly there, but here under the eyes. Concealer.
That's what I told.
Yeah, okay, almost. This is a concealer. Some days
So
to
I
hide
have
your
2
dark
points.
circles, you need to use
I
this.
only have 2 points.
No, I'll give this also to you. You almost guessed it right.
No,
That
don't
is-
give me.
You don't want?
No, I want 2 points.
Okay, you want only 2 points. Then this one. This is easy. This is easy.
Eyeliner.
Not eyeline, but kajal.
Eyeliner. This one is
Yes,
called.
this is the eyeliner. Very good.
And oh, that's for the
This, see, when I open this, you will know.
kajal.
Yeah, it's for the eyelashes. It's called mascara.
Mascara. I was going to say.
You're going to say it? Okay, so this point also I'll give it to you.
Yeah, something.
Want to do more or should we just stop?
More. More. More.
More. I don't have more items. Okay, let's see if I can guess what is this.
Give me this. Yes,
I'll
this.
show it to them.
Can I open it? Give me one. Oh, this is blush.
No, this is powder.
Powder.
Yes, compact
Then
powder.
what?
So this boy, he wants to now continue. I thought we'll just do a small thing. He's removed all the
All
thing and he set it up here. And he's saying, ask me what are these. He's taken the challenge very
and
seriously.
these are all the ones
Already
we
that
have
is
done.
done. He's organized it. This is done, now this is pending. Okay, let me just on this light and see how is it clear or not? Is this better?
It's like
I
bright.
think there's a slight shadow. Yeah, we'll just go.
So guys, the light.
There are 3 settings in this. One is warm. This is my favorite setting. Usually when I'm getting ready, I like this nice warm.
And
lights.
I covered both of them with this stuff every time.
Third setting is a little lighter white. Yeah. Okay, anyways, let's continue.
I don't know which one is gonna be. I can't look.
What is this?
Put it on you.
No, this is hair setting spray, which I use very rarely.
Give me that. So I have 5 points. I mean 7 points.
1,000 years later.
Today evening there is a surprise for Kian. So he's all excited for that and he's waiting for
10 hours. No, 6:30.
Yes, 6:30 p.m. There's going to be a big surprise.
2 hours later.
So my husband has reached and Kian is super excited. So we're just going to go. So chalo hamare saath. So Kian, how excited are you?
A lot.
Yes, he has no clue what is the surprise about. Since yesterday he's counting hours. And what are the guesses that you have made till now?
I am just movie theater.
Movie theater, okay.
Play area.
Play area.
The biggest park in the world.
Oh, biggest park. None of these. So soon we will find out.
More.
Yeah, it's none of these. He is not able to guess it at all. But it's a very, very, very big surprise. And he was getting super excited. So I told him that these are moments that you have to, feel so that you can keep these as memories. You're not going to get these kind of moments always. So he was excited and I let him be excited the whole day. So now we will find out soon what's going to happen. ज़िंदगी इन छोटे छोटे पलों का एक खूबसूरत संगम है। एक पल हम किसी मेकअप चैलेंज पर हंस रहे होते हैं या अपनी नई रील के लिए कोई धुन पकड़ रहे होते हैं और अगले ही पल हम उस मंजिल की ओर बढ़ रहे होते हैं जो आने वाले कुछ हफ्तों के लिए हमारी दुनिया बदलने वाली है। मैंने ये महसूस किया है कि हम अक्सर कल तक पहुंचने की जल्दी में आज को जीना भूल जाते हैं, लेकिन इस इंतज़ार में भी एक अलग ही सुकून है, इस राज को छुपा कर रखने में और इस बात की खुशी में कि एक बहुत बड़ा सरप्राइज़ बस कुछ ही मील दूर है। हमें इंतज़ार के इन लम्हों को सहज कर रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि कभी कभी कुछ बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है वाली वो भावना उस पल जितनी ही अनमोल होती है।